Omushaba, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi in the Wonderland. Everyone, today we're going to make easy menu, Pad Krapao or stir-fried holy basil. So first, we're gonna collect some holy basils from our garden and prepare this, wash it for our stir-fried menu. And today we're gonna use sausages and meatball instead of the meat. And then I'm gonna slice sausages into a small pieces. Is it easy to bite, easy to eat? And the meatball we're gonna cut in pieces of 4. Then I'm gonna slice onions into a small pieces. For the holy basils, we're gonna pick only the young leaf and the young flower one. Kaprao or holy basil is really good with every meat. When you stir fry them, it's gonna come with more fragrant smell. And for us, like Thai people, it's just like the national food. We love to eat it every day, like you grab some burger or pizza. And here they are, we got everything now, so we're going to prepare a paste for stir fry. We use only dry chili and garlic. First, I'm gonna add in like dry chili inside, pounding them, and then add in like garlic, also pounding them, just a little bit, not too smooth. Next, we add in oil a little bit and add in all of the paste inside, stir fry until they have a good smell. And then we're gonna add in sausages and meatball inside. And now we're gonna add in sliced onions inside, and we're gonna mix it a little bit, and then we're gonna seasoning it. I use only like 4 things inside here. First one gonna be oyster sauce, but if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can have like mushroom sauce instead. And here we have like fish sauce, and the next one is stock powder and a little bit of MSG to make it have more umami flavor. And then we clay or mix it together. Next we add in water to make it saucy. And the last one is holy basil. I love this so much, so I'm gonna stir just a few minutes, and that's it. It's really easy now. It's time to enjoy. Bon appetit! Mimi gonna eat this one for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.